Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays the foundation stone of the International Cricket Stadium in Varanasi. First meeting of the One Nation, One Election Committee held in New Delhi today. Border villages in East Jaintia Hills want better connectivity. And Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan completes 1 year. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of the International Cricket Stadium in Varanasi on 23rd September 2023. The Prime Minister is on a tour of his parliamentary constituency Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh today. Modi is launching development projects worth over 1,500 crore rupees in 3 different programs. Later, the Prime Minister reached Sampurnanand Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya and took part in the interaction program with the women of Varanasi. The Prime Minister also participated in the closing ceremony of Kashi Sansad Sanskritik Mahotsav 2023.
सांस्कृतिक महोत्सव अपने आप में काशी की एक अलग पहचान बनने वाला है। ये देश दुनिया के पर्यटकों के लिए ये हमारा काशी आकर्षण का एक नया केंद्र भी बनेगा, ये मान के चलिए। काशी और संस्कृति एक ही चीज के, एक ही ऊर्जा के 2 नाम है। आप उनको अलग कर ही नहीं सकते। और काशी को तो देश की सांस्कृतिक राजधानी होने का गौरव प्राप्त है।
The first meeting of the One Nation, One Election Committee was held in New Delhi today. On the 2nd of September, the government notified the 8-member committee headed by former President Ramnath Kovind to examine the issue of simultaneous elections to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. The committee will make recommendations keeping in view the existing framework under the Constitution of India and other statutory provisions. It will also examine and recommend whether the amendments to the Constitution would require ratification by the states. The panel will also discuss how to go about holding consultations with stakeholders, research on the subject and preparation of working papers. At least 5 to 6 bordering villages in East Jaintia Hills are desperately looking for better connectivity in their areas in view of the fact that there are frontier villages that share the boundary with Bangladesh. These villages, including Huroi, Hingaria Baskuna and Lahalain, are connected with just one temporary bridge, which often becomes difficult for villagers to commute. One of the headmen, S. Lamare, said that they have sent multiple representations to the government for better connectivity in these border villages, but are yet to receive any response from the authorities. The Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, in collaboration with the District Tuberculosis Officer of Ribhoi District, commemorated the 1-year anniversary of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan in Nongpo. The PMTB MBA was launched last year by the President of India with the ambitious goal of eliminating tuberculosis by 2025. Dr. E. Kalwing, District Tuberculosis Officer, informed that Ribhoi District currently has 333 TB patients with 254 still undergoing treatment. Out of these, only 98 TB patients have been adopted by Nikshay Mitra under the PMTB MBA for nutritional support, which highlights the urgent need for collective action to combat the spread of this disease. Dr. Kalwing encouraged individuals, cooperative societies, corporate entities, elected representatives and institutions to support TB patients by becoming Nikshay Mitra.
lai spa lai pulai ngot te tang khandai phu prangot kinong pang TB la tingkhun da kita kinik chei mitra henrei kiwi pat kidang sa kidang up khmi lenti bakin adopt ya daki nik chei mitra banirap eki yakabam kadi kidon kathong ya kaban penduna lane ban pendu jai no ya kajing pang TB house nem ar hajar ar pusan tingi don kam ya kajing ya trilang jong baro khnang bangila ban job ya kani kathong.
Synchronizing with its 127-year-long glorious journey, the Assam Club Laban, Shillong, today organized a free medical camp at the club premises. The camp is being organized as part of Assam Club's efforts to make basic healthcare accessible for all. A large number of medical professionals from Shillong extended their services in the health camp, open for all irrespective of caste and creed. Various routine medical tests were also conducted and free medicines were distributed among the needy beneficiaries.
It is being organized as a part of the Assam Club efforts to make basic healthcare accessible for all. A large number of medical professionals from Shillong and Guwahati have agreed to extend their services during this health camp.
With an aim to reach out to MSME entrepreneurs, the Reserve Bank of India, Shillong, conducted a town hall meeting on micro, small and medium enterprises at the Thangbuli Village Club Hall, Amlarem, West Jaintia Hills District today. Navneet Singh Nagar, DGM RBI Shillong, highlighted the significance of conducting the town hall meeting on MSMEs in unbanked and underbanked areas to create awareness of banking facilities amongst the entrepreneurs in such areas, linking the unbanked entrepreneurs to the formal banking system, obtaining feedback from the entrepreneurs on the problems faced by them in accessing bank finance.
In our country, the MSME sector holds a unique position as it employs millions of citizens, fosters inclusiveness, plays an instrumental role in achieving the nation's aspirations for self-reliance and economic development. While on the other side of this ecosystem are the banks and financial institutions, which are represented here today, and their role in providing financial support, guidance, expertise is equally important towards taking the MSME sector forward.
And now for a quick look at the weather. The maximum temperature was 26.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 17.4 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 77%, dropping to 70% in the evening with rainfall of 0.2 millimeters. The weather forecast shows moderate rain is very likely to occur at a few places. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi lays the foundation stone of the International Cricket Stadium in Varanasi. First meeting of the One Nation, One Election Committee held in New Delhi today. Border villagers in East Jaintia Hills want better connectivity. And Pradhan Mantri TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan completes 1 year. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.